Simple. Okay, that condition is tall. Simple. So the definition is that first you know the definition. If we cross with homozygous character, this one is homozygous, this one is homozygous. If we cross with two homozygous character, okay, then in F1 generation the character which was shown when we cross with two homozygous alleles, and the characters which are shown in F1 generation, that is called as dominant character. Please just remind this dominant, because maximum examination just only ask you about the dominant and the recessive. So this one is a simple one, dominant character. Okay, and the character, first you listen it once again, dominant. When we cross with two homozygous alleles, then in F1 generation the characters which was shown is called dominant character, and the character which was repressed by the dominant character is called recessive. So the differences will become in the examination, to write down the difference between dominant and recessive. So these are some differences, that is dominant and recessive, that once again that I am going to repeat it, that by the crossing of two homozygous alleles, then in F1 generation the characters which was shown is called dominant character, and the character which was not shown, or the character which are just overlapped by the dominant character, is called recessive character. So these are some points. Okay, now here one more point will be there, but here we will not write it. Okay, now listen very carefully. Suppose that this one is the tall plant, okay, and this one is the dwarf plant. Same is that, same. Capital T, it will be crossed with small t, that is F0 generation, and it will be obtained that capital T, small t, that is F1 generation. Okay. So this character, that is tall character, is called dominant character. Here you know about the dominant and recessive, and small t is called recessive character. Capital T is called dominant character, and small t is called recessive character. So here what will be obtained, that listen it very carefully. If we cross dominant or recessive, it means if we cross F1 generation to the F0 generation, it means parents of F0 generation, it means in F1 generation cross with any parents of the F0 generation, then this cross is called back cross. Just remind this name, back cross. Okay, and if the F1 generation is crossed to the dominant character, this one, it is called as outcross. F1 generation crossed to the recessive character, then it is called as test cross. Okay, it means if this cross with dominant character, this is called as outcross, and this cross with recessive character is called as test cross. In your syllabus, that only back cross and test cross is that, not the outcross. This is not in your syllabus, only recessive character. So the question is arise that why we do that, So first we will do the process. Suppose that we will do the test cross. test cross. So what will happen? Suppose that you will do that this one is the F1 generation. It means capital T small t is crossed with recessive character, that is small t small t. Okay, in that situation they are the parents. It means F0 generation. So here capital T and small t are separated. Here is small t and small t are separated. So here we will cross capital T small t, capital T small t, small t small t, small t small t. So here we see, if we obtain maximum number of recessive character, if we want to obtain that maximum number of recessive character or F1 generation character, then we will do this cross. Okay, we will do that test cross. Similarly, if we want to do the dominant character, if we want some dominant character, maximum amount of dominant character, then we will do that out cross. Okay, simple is that. So these are some crosses. Some more crosses will be there. Listen very carefully. The first thing is that very carefully. Number one thing that is cross, that is monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. Mono means one. It means cross in between one character. Cross in between one character. So here we will write cross in between one character. Cross in between one character. Suppose that we will take a character that is tall and it will be crossed with dwarf. Okay. So capital T crossed with small t, this is called as F0 generation or parental generation. Why I will told that parental generation? Because in maximum examination it will be written that parental generation. So don't be confused. Parental generation. Okay. If we cross it, then in F1 generation we obtain capital T small t. This one is the F1 generation. Okay, simple is that. But if we want F2 generation, then what we will do? This one is the first generation. So as you know that four are there. This one is 4. This capital T small t are 4 are make. If we cross in that 2, 4s are make. In that 4 only 2 will take. It will be crossed with the same character. In that 4 only 2 will take. Okay, and this process is called as selfing or self cross, because in so many books it was written self cross, but you have to know both name, that is selfing and self cross. Okay, so what will happen? Listen very carefully. Capital T small t, capital T small t. Here it also capital T small t. If we cross here, capital T, capital T, capital T small t, capital T small t, small t, small t. So these are some characters we have to obtain in the F2 generation. Okay, so these are some characters. Okay, come to the phenotypic character. Phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio means physical ratio. Pheno means physical. Pheno means physical. Physical in the sense that is outside. Physical means outsider. How it was look from outside. Suppose that in our body we will know about that how the boys are looked, how that me look in outside, from the outside. Okay, so outside, so here you know that this one is the tall, this is also tall, and this is also tall, because capital T is here and here is also capital T. So capital T will overlap to the small t. Capital T is responsible for tall, so 3 are tall and 1 is dwarf, so the ratio will become that is 3:1. Now come to the genotypic character. Genotypic ratio. Genotypic means gene ratio, gene, similar gene, you have to select the similar gene. So this gene, not allele, that is gene, this one is gene. So like this gene, here no one is there, so 1. Like this, twos are there, so ratio 2, ratio 1. So in monohybrid cross, in F2 generation, the phenotypic ratio is 3:1 and the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Okay, so monohybrid cross is very important because if we start the Mendel's law, okay, if we start the Mendel's law, this is most important one. So in monohybrid cross you have to take only single character. Okay, if you do second one, if we do dihybrid cross. So in dihybrid cross, di means 2, it means we will take 2 character. It means we will take 2 character from the one plant, 2 character from one plant. So here we will take, suppose that we will take tall and round. Tall that is length and round is seed, yani capital R. Cross with dwarf and wrinkled. Dwarf and wrinkled, yani small t, smaller. So these are the F1, F0 generation, parental generation it was. Okay. So next step is what we will do, that is capital is just attached to the small. Okay, so capital is just attached to the, yani capital T के साथ small t and capital R, that is small r. This one is called as F1 generation. This is called as F1 generation. Simple is that. So what we will do, that is next generation. What we will do in the next generation. So in the next generation, let's see what we will do. Okay. So in next generation, we will do selfing. 4s are there, so selfing. Selfing is what? It means it will be cross because 4 are obtained. So in that 4, only 2 will take, and in between that 2 we will just cross it. So first we know about the gametes. How we will know the gametes? These are called as gametes. These half are called as gametes. These are called as gametes. So here are very simple, that we will easily obtain the gametes, only we will do the half one, but here is little bit difficult. Suppose that this one is the male and this one is the female. So let's start for making. Okay, as we know, suppose that here is multiplication sign. Suppose that here just I erase it here, or here we will try. Suppose that capital T small t in capital R is smaller, this one is there. In between the capital T and small t, suppose that it will be a plus sign, and here is also a plus sign, and here is the multiplication sign. In between the capital T and small t, there is a plus sign. In between the capital R and small r, there is the plus sign. But in between the capital T small t and capital R small r, there will be a multiplication sign. So according to the math, that is a plus b, one in one bracket, into c plus d in another bracket. So a is multiplied with c, and a is multiplied with d, and b is multiplied with c, and d is multiplied with d. So what are the gametes that we will obtain? So capital T is multiplied with capital R, capital T is small t is capital R, small t is small r. Yani 4 gametes we will obtain, 4 gametes. So here we will see that, suppose that we will draw a board, that is simply Suppose that this is the board, this is called a checkerboard. CHECKER, checkers board, checkerboard or Punnett square. Checkerboard or Punnett square, because first of all the scientist that is called as Punnett is just describe that one. So here we will told that one thing, what we will write here, just listen. Suppose that here is the male, yani here we will write the male part, male gamete, and here we will write the female gamete. So in male gamete we will write that capital T capital R, capital T small r, small t capital R, small t small r. 4 gametes are there. Same is that, because same is capital T capital R, capital T small r, small t capital R, small t small r. So here we will write the female one, capital T capital R, capital T small r, small t capital R, small t small r. So these are some gametes. The simple process is that only you have to touch that one. If you touch and write here, touch and write here, touch and write here, touch and write here. The simple one, capital T capital T capital T capital T capital R capital R. We will do only simple thing, only just you have to attach it and write, attach it and write. Here capital T capital R small r, we are equal capital and small. R with R you have to write then R. First is capital, then after is small. Here capital T small t capital R capital T small t capital R small r. Here we will write capital T capital R small r, capital T small r. ठीक है, simple just attach and write बस. Just attach and write, attach here and write. So these are some points will be obtained, but here we will discuss if there is a capital T will be there. So these are tall and round, because capital is dominated to the smaller one. Here is also tall and round. If you think that capital is here, so here capital is there, capital overlap to the small one, capital overlap to the small one. Here is also tall and round, tall and wrinkled, because 2 smaller r is there, the smaller r is the wrinkle character. Okay, tall and round, tall and wrinkled, tall and round, dwarf and round, because you see that round, r are for round and small t for dwarf and round. Okay, tall and round, tall and wrinkled, dwarf and round, dwarf and wrinkled. So here we will obtain, that is F2 generation. This one is the F2 generation, because F1 generation that already know. This is the F2 generation. We will know about the phenotypic ratio. So here we will write the phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio. So here we will write the phenotypic ratio. Only just you saw the process. Capital here, tall and round, 1, 2, tall and round, just count that tall and round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Nothing is there. So 9 are tall and round, 9 ratio. Tall and wrinkled, 1, 2, 3 ratio dwarf and round 1 2 3 3:1 because this one is the left. Okay, so only the phenotypic ratio will become in the examination of that dihybrid cross. Okay, not the genotypic ratio, but in this one, that is monohybrid cross, both the ratio will become, that is phenotypic and genotypic ratio. So these are some important point. Note down very carefully because these are so many importance. Note down.